Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your screen if it's black, but the power is on with your Asus laptop. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'd like you to try to at least hard reset, your laptop. So go ahead and disconnect the AC adapter, remove any external devices like mouse, USB drives, or whatever. And then you'll be able to see your power button. Just go ahead and hold it for about 40 seconds. And then once that's done, reconnect the charger and try to turn it back on. And then after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, there's a method here where we try to force the graphics driver to restart. So go ahead and hold down the Windows key on your laptop. Hold it down and then hold Control key as well. Hold it. Then after that, hold Shift, and lastly, B. All right, again, Windows, Control, Shift, plus B. I'm not going to do it. It will flicker my display. Yours will flicker as well, so don't worry about it. Just wait for it to refresh for about 5 to 10 seconds, and after that, you should be good to go. And you may hear some beep, depending on your device model. Now, if that doesn't work, let's go ahead and try some of the toggle keys, So go ahead and press the function key on your keyboard and then press F7, If F7 doesn't help, go ahead and press F8. All right. Now, if that doesn't work, let's try to wake up our task manager, So go ahead and press Control plus Alt plus the delete button, And then it should wake up your screen. If that doesn't work, go ahead and press Control plus Shift and then Escape. It should open up your task manager. Now, if that still won't work, unfortunately, there might be something wrong with either your monitor or graphics card. So if you're not quite sure, go ahead and add in an external monitor. And if the external monitor works, well, that means your display or your laptop's display is bricked. All right. Now, if both external and main display doesn't work, well, that might be a problem with your graphics card or RAM. Let's say you've recently installed new RAM. You installed a new RAM by yourself. Go ahead and try to remove it and see if that solves the issue. Now, if your computer is still under warranty, I would highly suggest you to send it for repair. And if it's not under warranty, well, you can go ahead and get it checked by a local technician. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.